Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's Canva tutorial, I will show you how to change the color of your picture or logo. Let's say we have a logo that is black in color and we want to change its color to white. To do this, click on your logo or picture, click Edit Image, click Duotone. If you can't find duotone, simply search it here. Okay, let's click on duotone. Now click any color that you want. After clicking, click options. Now here click this color and choose white. And choose the second color and again choose white color. And click apply. As you can see that we have successfully changed the color of our logo from black to white. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.